It's my life. Lazy, 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 lazy. It's my life. I got dirty, 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 dirty. It's my life. I wanna shop, 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 shopping. It's my life.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's me Eva. Today I would like to make short review of my favorite coffee machine, which is Jura Impressa F8. If you are interested, please stay with me. So this is my lovely Jura. I have it for quite some time, and like I said before, I love it so much. I'm making coffee every day. Cannot imagine my morning without coffee from this coffee machine. The coffee maker type is Jura Impressa F8. Yes, it's actually older type of coffee maker. So what do we have? If you will look at control panel, you will see the function and the type of coffee which you can choose. So we have espresso, cappuccino, coffee, latte, macchiato, and even here, you see this is the button. And maybe let me push it away from there. Coffee maker type is Jura Impressa F8. Is older type of Jura. And if you will see, you have in the menu bar option which coffee you want to choose. It can be espresso coffee, which means is Americano, cappuccino, latte macchiato, and even more. Here is like the switch control panel, which when you will press, see, we press in. I cannot remember how it was. You have to press. Oh, okay. When you turn, so when you turn, you have other kind of coffee. You can choose milk, portion of milk, macchiato, latte macchiato, cappuccino, special. You can choose option of 2 coffees, which means it's double coffee, just ordinary coffee, Americano, 2 espressi, espresso, 2 ristretto, and we are back in portion of milk. If you will look on the top of the coffee maker, here is a slot for already grounded coffee. So you have simple instruction over there. Do not add water, do not add coffee beans, and maximum is 2 spoons of coffee. So it's for somebody who is blending coffee different way, or maybe have already blended coffee. The next slot here is for coffee beans. You have to insert coffee beans there, and your coffee maker will make coffee of your choice. On the right side on the left side, sorry, we have a container for the water, and the water filter is actually not at the moment here water filter, so you can fill with the water container, put it back, close, and then we are going to the main menu. On the right side is like the storage for additional nozzles, for a spoon, some contact information for Jura, and also settings for green grinder. So we will go to settings. If you will press this P, we are going to option. So it shows us the information of cleaning and the scaling, and also cappuccino cleaning. I didn't clean cappuccino because I'm not drinking cappuccino, but we can do it together. So the next, when you will go to the next menu, don't know if this way, no, this way, yes. You have the next, you can rinse the coffee system and rinse the milk system. So if you will press rinse coffee system, press, look what will happen. Machine is rinsing. And now it's going back to the normal menu, but we can press P again. I want to show you something else. So now we have cappuccino cleaning. We don't want to do it. We are going out of this. So from the menu bar, we can go to other mode. So for example, we have expert mode. What is expert mode? Let's press. Expert mode is the way you will prepare your coffee. So for example, I like the most just ordinary coffee. So you can choose volume. My own is 160 because this size of the coffee which I like the most. And you can choose coffee strength. So for example, we want stronger coffee. We have to turn and we have to bean. So the coffee is stronger right now. Save. Then again, if we move again to more menu, so then we are choosing the temperature. We have temperature high. We want our coffee be hot, so temperature is high. We may add to favorites, which means the coffee will be always the same unless you will change the settings. Let's go back to this menu. I want to this rinse the coffee system, 3 expert mode and factory settings. So we can go back to factory settings if we want to. Another, you can choose your language. So we have many languages. Our own is English. Then switch off after making coffee. Switch off after 15 minutes. You can save this option. Save energy. Active. Save. And then we can go to another settings. You can choose units, how many units, which units. My own is in milliliters. Display. What is on display? It shows you how much coffee you have, I think. Display. And then we go to the next. Use filter. My own is without filter at the moment. Switch on rinse. So it's rinsing when it's switching off. You are choosing your water hardness as well. It's counting your products, how many coffees you made. So my own is 8,804. An espresso. That's how many coffees I made. Total 8,804. Okay, so let's start to prepare our coffee. Also, we have two coffee nozzles, you see, so you can make two individual coffees like this, and this. You can lower it even to not spread the coffee everywhere, or you can make just one single coffee. I want to make one single coffee, my favorite, which will be coffee. Fantastic coffee. My coffee maker is Jura Impressa F8. It's quite old model of coffee machine, but still very functional and very lovely. I have it over 6 years and it makes the best coffee ever. So if you would like to have a good coffee machine, I suggest you to buy any of Jura machines. It's very easy to operate it. If you will look in the nozzles here, you can shift them down or up, depends of the size of your cup. Here you have milk frother, or also you can use another nozzle which is like this, and it's nozzle for just hot water. Just remove all the milk frother system and replace the nozzle like this, you see, and then you can use for hot water only. Let's have a look externally. What do we have? Deep tray is basically a storage container for dirty water when the machine is flushing, for example, and also for storing coffee which was made already. So then you have to just remove this. You see, just to remove, throw away the coffee and clean properly deep tray. You see, we have some water. Clean it, put together. Put back, insert, and it's done. So machine always is telling you if deep tray is fitted or not, or if you have empty container or not, if it's full or not. If you like my video, please press like and subscribe, and please leave message if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye.
It's my life.